y'all? It's your girl, the baddest singer and songwriter out there. No, I'm playing, y'all. I'm playing. But Kimmy, I'm one of the baddest. Period. There's a lot of baddies out there. Shout out to Ice Spice, the baddest. One of the baddest. That's my girl. I like Ice Spice. Anyway. We got our little bond right here. Stop, don't touch. Don't play. No, you're not supposed to be in the video. Your mom and dad don't want you in the video. Alright. Anyway. I love you, but no, go play. Go play. Anyway. We're gonna go and do this video, not over here. We're gonna do the video over here. Let's do it. We're gonna center it. We're gonna go right here. This is good. Do y'all want it? It's good. I had some food a few minutes ago, so I'm not really gonna be able to devour the whole thing or whatever, but that's okay. I'm gonna save it. It's good.